With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start with this question, and our question says that select the incorrect statement with respect to plant breeding. Okay, so basically if we talk about the plant breeding, so it is a very important technique nowadays, and plant breeding is when we can say that the plant breeding is when we cross between two genetically different plants. This process is called plant breeding. That means cross between two genetically different, or we can say that genetically not identical varieties of plant. Okay, genetically different plant variety, and the purpose of it is we can gain the superior characters in our new progeny, Okay, there are so many superior characters, like we can say that it produce high yield, so we can say that increased the productivity, increase the disease resistance for the particular disease causing pathogen. Okay, and also we can say that here is the plant bear a stressful condition. So the stressful condition will be water stress and soil stress. So these all conditions. Okay, so we can say that here is the plant can bear the stressful condition. Okay, so this is the plant breeding, and with respect of plant breeding we have to select the incorrect statement. So the first is given in many crop pre-existing genetic variability is available from wild relative of the crop. This is correct statement. In wild varieties there are so many good characters are present. Good characters are present in the wild variety also, so we can easily cross with the wild variety also. Okay, because we know that the wild variety is grow in not a proper controlled condition. It is grow in a random condition, some stressful condition. So that is why we can say that the wild relative of the crop is the good option for the plant breeding. Next is given progeny plant with superior characters are self-pollinated for several generations till they reach the state of heterozygosity. This is the absolutely incorrect statement with respect of plant breeding, because we know that progeny plant with superior characters are not self-pollinated. These are the cross-pollinated. Okay, we know that for the plant breeding we have to done the cross-pollination, not the self-pollination, because if the self-pollination is happen here, so it is we have in this condition we not get heterozygosity. Okay, if the self-pollination is done here, so homozygosity will be there. Homozygosity, and in the homozygosity the variation is not present here. Okay, these are the identical copy of their parent plant. Okay, That means is the progeny doesn't have the superior characters which we want. So there is not self-pollination. Due to the cross-pollination, we are reached a state of the heterozygosity. From the self-pollination, the heterozygosity is not achieved. Okay, self-pollination is cause the homozygosity. Only the cross-pollination is caused the heterozygosity. Okay, and heterozygosity, that means the genetically different from their parent plant. Okay, so this will be incorrect. Next is given hybrid breeding. The hybrid breeding have led to the development of several high-yielding varieties resistant to water stress. So as I told you, the characters are the higher yielding varieties resistant to water stress. So the plant breeding helpful for these all the characters. Next is given conventional method of plant breeding for disease resistance, that is that of the hybridization and selection. This will be again a correct statement, because we know that the conventional methods of plant breeding is the hybridization and selection, which are used for the disease resistance, increase the disease resistance to a particular disease causing agent. So this is the correct. So we have to find the incorrect statement, because so the answer will be option second, that is progeny plant with superior characters are self-pollinated for several generations till they reach a state of heterozygosity. This will be the incorrect statement here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.